Now I want to talk about your plate size. So you may think, why are we going to talk about plate size? Plate size is very important in the amount of food that you eat. A strategy that you can utilize is to decrease your plate size because this is a psychological effect on how much you eat. So let me give you an example. If you have a plate that, let's say, is 12 inches in diameter, and you have a plate that is 8 inches in diameter, well, you can put the same amount of food on the 12-inch diameter plate and the same amount of food on the 8-inch diameter plate, but visually they look very different. When you have the 12-inch plate, visually it looks larger, so you're going to probably put more food on that 12-inch plate, which is going to increase your calories and which ultimately can cause weight gain. But when you have that 8-inch plate, you put that same amount of food on it, it looks a lot bigger. So visually, it's going to help you. So after you eat this food, you're going to think, wow, I feel better and I feel more full. I'm a big fan of basketball. So if I stand next to Stephen Curry, I'm probably going to look pretty similar in size to Stephen Curry. He's going to be a little bit taller than me. But if I stand next to Shaquille O'Neal, I'm going to look like a very small guy. For example, when you go to a French restaurant, they tend to use very large plates. So what this does is it actually distorts our view of perception about how much food we're actually getting. So in reality, they're serving you a normal portion size, but it just looks so much smaller because of the big plates. In contrast, when you go to Spanish restaurants and they give you the tapas, the plates are very small, so the food that you're getting in reality actually isn't that much, but because the plates are small, you feel like you're getting a good amount of food. When you decrease your plate size, you are making a conscious effort to decrease the calories that you're intaking for the day. This strategy is very helpful and it's a very easy one to implement. So I hope you go out there and buy some smaller plates, and I hope you see the big difference.